You can use the same basic technique as line stitching and add beads to the stitches. Fix the beginning end of the thread and insert the needle upward through the fabric for the first stitch. Hold the thread and beads to prevent the thread from slackening. Apply a bead by using the thumb and hook the thread. Pull down the needle through the fabric. Repeat the same process, inserting the needle, bead application, hooking the thread, and pulling down the needle through the fabric. At the end of stitching, make 2 or 3 small stitches and cut the thread. You can apply sequins in the same way. The sequins will line up neatly if you make stitches in a similar length as the radius of the sequins. Chain stitches appear on the reverse side of line stitches. Insert a needle from the top to the underside of the fabric. Hook the thread underneath the fabric and pull the needle upward with the hooked thread. For the next stitch, insert the needle close to the position of the first stitch. Hook the double threads underneath the fabric and pull out the needle. Insert the needle again with the hooked double threads. Pick up only one thread, the longer one. The threads are fixed. By repeating the same process, you can make chain stitches. At the end of chain stitching, make a few small stitches and cut the thread. Make the thread end finishing in the same way as line stitching. The direction of the latch. Make sure that the latch faces the same direction as stitching is progressing. The movement of the latch. Take out the latch entirely on the surface of the fabric. When the latch does not come out of the fabric entirely, the needle gets stuck in the fabric. Holding the thread. Hold the thread and prevent it from going slack. If the thread comes off the needle and you drop a stitch, press the thread with your finger to prevent it from further loosening, and turn over the hoop to see the reverse side of the fabric. Hook the last existing loop with the needle. Insert the needle to the fabric while hooking the loop and turn over the hoop. Then restart stitching. Changing the direction of stitches. Make 1 or 2 small stitches before changing the direction, and turn the latch to the direction of the next movement.